diamonds. I like stunning, I like shining. I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas.
Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. This is going to be my first time doing crochet extensions on my hair. I was just bored of wearing my wigs. I just wanted a break from my wig and just to put my hair in a protective style that wasn't really going to be so strenuous on my hair. So I decided to do crochet braids. So anyways, I've braided the front part of my hair. You can see I did a middle part, a side part on both sides, so I can flip the hair on any direction I would like it to. So anyways, I'm done braiding it in a zigzag motion all the way to the back of the hair. So once that is done, I'm going to start installing the hair on. So for this hairstyle, I'm going to be using this African Pride edition Jamaican locks hair. So this year when my sister sent me some things, this was part of the things that she sent from me, and I had this hair for some time. I was like, oh, I need to use it and do something, so I decided to do this hair. So so basically it's a really easy and simple style. Anyone can do it. You just need to have the few things you need: a crochet pin, this hair extension. If you don't have this hair extension, a Marley hair extension would work just fine for this style. So I didn't want to bore you guys so much. I'm sure you guys have seen so many crochet hairstyles. So anyways, I've done the entire back of my hair, so I'm just going to show you guys how I did it. So basically, taking a strand of the hair, I'm just going to divide it into two because the one strand is really huge, so I'm going to divide it into two. Then taking those two halves, I'm just going to make them equal in length. Then I'm going to cut them just smack dead in the center of it all. So that's going to give me four short strands. So taking one short of one of those strands, I'm just going to fold it into not into half, quarter of the strand, and I'm going to show you guys just quarter. You see, just folding a quarter way of the strand of hair. I'm just going to take my crochet pin and insert it into my hair. Then basically once it's inside, I got stuck. But anyways, once the crochet pin is inside, basically going to just put it in and close up the latch and drag it through. It's as easy as pie. I'm sure you guys have seen so many crochet hair videos. So I'm not going to talk too much, just going to basically show you how I did the hairstyle. So just tying, looping it in, and dragging it through, and voila, that's it. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch till the end of the video, and if you have any comments, please do leave them in the comment section. If you have any requests or makeup tutorial requests or makeup or hairstyle requests, please do let me know in the comment section. Anyways guys, till my next video, bye.
Hennessy for my cup and it ain't for body, oh. Shagalosi or Jutilerio. All of my girls and body go kiss somebody, oh. Said you ginger go kiss somebody, oh. Aje, Mananti, baby man, no get it. I'm gonna man, no get it. I'm gonna show my dog, get it. Watch over my dog, get it.
So guys, this is the finished hair. Like I showed you guys, I can pack this hair in 3 ways. I can do this side, I can do a center part, do a center part here. So that's the center part. Then I can also do a part on this other side too. So it's a 3-part. I did it in such a way where it's like 3 parts, which is what I wanted. I'm going to rock this hair like in this huge fro for some time. Then when to change the style, I'm just going to put them in bendy rollers and yeah, put them in bendy rollers and soak them in a little hot water, and that would just give it like a different style with curls. But for now, I'm just going to rock this hair like a big fro, which I am so in love with. Like, this is my first time doing crochet on my hair and I am feeling it. Like, what? This is so diva-ish. Like, it's so big, it's so fluffy. My mom hates this hair. When I was doing the hair, she was like, is it not too big? It's getting too big. But anyways, I love this hair. I'm definitely going to rock it like this for maybe a week or 2 before I change up or switch up the hairstyle. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Let me know what you think. If you would rock this kind of big hair, if you're a fro lover, if you love something big like this, let me know in the comment section, and if you would do this hairstyle. So ultimately, in the end, I used 1.5 packs of the Jamaican locks that I showed you guys. So it's 1.5 packs that is inside here, all this hair. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. The tutorial for this look will be up on my channel either before or after this video, but anyways, yeah. So take care guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.